Hi there guys and guys, good afternoon to each every one of you. I'm the only one here inside of the LTO's satellite office waiting for the papers to have for my lost plate or my replacement. I don't know if they're gonna give me a new one for today or they will just call me or inform me. But one thing for sure, I'm the only one here. Good thing that I didn't have my lunch this afternoon. Otherwise, I may not be able to accommodate myself and they may not be gonna assist me to fix my papers. So you know what, if you have this kind of feeling that you think you're gonna be late, do not pursue it, okay? So avoid being hustled, avoid the rush, always think of the better way for you not to get harassed by yourself and not to be in a hurry as always, and for you to accomplish the things that you wanna do on a certain day of time, right? Very good. So I'm still waiting. I already paid 640. I forgot. And then I also have my Xerox that cost of 6 on the first one and then another 5, and she gave me discount on she gave me a discount on the second store and then gave me another free Xerox copy of my registration, LTO registration card.
And there is a photo.
This is my time, so bye for now.